Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 products you could sell dropshipping for October. But before I show you the products, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, the first one is any kind of portable heaters, because just think about it. It's coming, winter is coming, it's getting a lot colder, and people want to get warmer. So any type of this portable heater works. You can have the selling point to be like used in the office, in the room, in whatever. These hand warmers are pretty amazing because you know that sometimes gloves aren't enough, so you have this hand warmer. Plus it's pretty convenient since they are rechargeable, so you can recharge them and then use them. So any type of heating product you can literally sell. If you can find something that's more unique, you can sell that. I don't know, maybe you can sell this as you're outside in a cafe and your hands are cold, use this to warm up your hands, something like that. The next one is another heating product, but this is like a massage and heating product. Since the day is no longer as it used to be as long, people are going to be inside more, and you can sell something like this that it relaxes them, comforts them, does like anything that this product does. You can always check the description, some modes. But like it's a perfect product if you're laying down on a sofa, watching some Christmas movies or whatever, and this is going to massage you. And also you can have the approach of you don't have to leave your home, you don't have to pay all that money for a massager, like you have this product. Now you can go advanced, and this is like some, I don't know, 4D type of massage or whatever. There are a lot of different massager types. What's important is that it actually works, so always take a look at the reviews, contact the supplier, see if you can get them that they potentially ship from the USA. But yeah, so the next one is of course some clothes heating. So basically, as I mentioned, it's cold. Some clothes don't just help you out, and clothes like this literally heat up and make you feel very hot. And what you can sell this, for example, like shirts, you can wear this on your skin first and then add like another layer of clothes. But of course be aware, I don't know if you can actually do that. But this is also a perfect product. Like you can use this like a shirt, joggings, they're even washable. I know that there's also like heating gloves, heating socks, heating everything. So this heating stuff, it's perfect. And it also tells you how it works. So the only downside, I guess, I'm seeing is that you need to connect the power bank to heat it, because those clothes can store electricity. So that is a bit of a hassle. But what you can do is have an upsell that basically sells a power bank. So not everybody has a power bank. People will be like, oh, I don't have a power bank, where can I get it? And then you immediately solve their problem. So you get more money, you upsell them, and the people are happy. So this is one more product. Now, the last one is anything related to Halloween, because it's coming and it will come very soon. You need to create like your store tomorrow and start pumping out ads, videos, etc. because nobody's going to buy this after the Halloween is over, and everybody wants this before Halloween. So anything any Halloween decoration, party decorations, like whatever you want to use. So you can see these are some ghosts, you have some spiders, you have those weird LEDs like pumpkin, skull, eyeballs, more pumpkin, bats, spiders. Like, create your entire store around it, and then be like, just I want to say, create like a perfect ecosystem per se. So you sell them the LED light string, and then they, I don't know, they maybe need a LED ghost that hangs, and then they maybe need these artificial spider webs, then they maybe need, I don't know, something else. So it's like, create everything. So create that when somebody comes to your store, that they can buy everything. They don't have to go to another place. So use upsells, downsells, all of the marketing strategy tactics. Or what you can do is, to potentially stand out, is that you take all of the products I just mentioned and all of the others, like, I don't know, these pillows, like every Halloween thing you can find, and have that as a separate bundle product. Now, what I mean by that, you basically bundle them together. Now, this will be a bit difficult if you actually don't have these products in your warehouse or your home, so that you can actually ship them to the customer, but maybe you can make some sort of deal with the AliExpress vendors. But basically, you take the Halloween LED ghost, you take, I don't know, a few LED strings, you take the webs, you take the pillows, and then you put it all in one product and you put a price on it. Now, why would this work? Because people don't like to think what they need, what they want to buy, and you also know that if you don't know about something, you don't know it exists. Maybe somebody just doesn't know that spider web Halloween is a thing. Like, they're like, oh, I didn't know artificial spider webs like exist. And you basically saw a huge problem that they get everything they didn't know they need. So it's like a plus. So create a bundle deal if you can, with a lot of different products, or of course if they want to buy it separately. But that would be a great idea. And of course, tell them what they will get in that product. Don't be sleazy. And that's pretty much it. So those are the products I would recommend selling in October, because the first few I showed just solve a huge problem when it comes to keeping yourself warm during winter. But Halloween, it's not like a problem-solving thing, but it's like a social thing where if you don't have it, you are weird. Maybe you want to brag about that your Halloween decorations are the best, that you decorated the best. Maybe you have a competition every year with your friends when you're like, oh, this person did the best decor, they get that. Maybe they just get a ego boost. But yeah, there's a lot of ways you can approach it and sell it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.